Hey you guys, Leanna here, the founder of Change Media Co. I'm really excited that our mini course for Canva is now live. It is something that we've been wanting to do for a while now, and a lot of feedback we've gotten is that a lot of you have never used Canva before and you're not really sure how to navigate it. So this is a very beginner course. So if you are new to Canva, this is something that you might be interested in learning a little bit more about. And maybe if you've used Canva a little bit more than the average person, there might be some lessons that you might find beneficial to you. So in this course, there's going to be 5 lessons. It's probably going to take you around an hour to complete all lessons if you crank them all out. But you can take this course at your own pace. It is not graded or anything like that. We're just calling it a course because there are 5 lessons. So with the 5 lessons that you're going to get, lesson 1 is going to be an overview of the Canva dashboard. So this is just going to take you around Canva and show you what Canva really has available on their dashboard and the different navigation that is available to you and how to access different integrations. Then we're going to go into creating a brand kit. And now the brand kit is really important if you utilize Canva Pro. We do have a link for Canva Pro if you don't have a Canva account yet and you'd like to try out Canva Pro. You can utilize our affiliate link and you'll get a free trial of Canva Pro. And then if you decide you want to keep it, great. If not, you'll just downgrade to a free account. So that will be the second lesson, is creating the brand kit. Then we're going to lesson 3, which is really understanding how the design editor works, the different components in the design editor, like resizing, the integrations like the GIFs, and the different elements and folders that you can access while you're in the design editor. Then we're going to go into a little bit more deeper into the design editor on the element side. And so the elements are different features that you can use to personalize and style your posts. And we're going to talk about a few very common ones, which are lines and shapes. It seems a bit pretty trivial, but they've actually added a few new features, which I absolutely love. And so we'll check those out. And then we're going to go into lesson 5, which is focusing on how you can actually customize a Change Media Co template to your own branding, utilizing the branding kit and the different features that we've reviewed in the previous 4 lessons. So I'm really excited for this course. Like I said, it's something that is going to be very beneficial for those of you that are new to Canva. It's free, it's included in your membership, and we'll try to have mini courses, a couple of them a year, so that you guys can just touch up on all the things to make sure that you're making the most of your marketing for your real estate business, or if you're a small business owner in general, we want to see you succeed. Because small businesses are the backbone of our local economy, it is so important for us to ensure that you guys are successful. So if you have any questions, please let us know, and we look forward to seeing you on the inside.